Hello friends, welcome to Krishna I Speak. I am Krishna and once again I came for practicing to myself, practicing to our English life, English journey. You know friends, now the weather is too much cool. I don't have word what could we say, this kind weather say. You know, in a morning time it was rain and in a afternoon it was drizzling, so it going to be rain. You can see the weather, the cloud, how it seems to, like, yeah, it will rain. So and you can see the my hair how my hair is moving because the wind is going on. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So friends, in this video I'm going to talk about one really relatable thing, very personal thing, which thing happened with everyone. It doesn't mean that you are a student, you are a housewife, you are a not means it doesn't it don't think that it is only for student and any special one. What I want to say, what I'm going to say, it is for, it happened with every person. So let's start what I want to say. So friends, I want to say about our mistakes, because you know every person done mistakes, like another kind of mistakes, something, well, different kind of mistakes. So but what happened after done mistakes? Okay, after done mistakes we just again thinking about our mistakes. Thinking about mistake is a good. How? Thinking about mistake is a good, because if we are thinking about mistake that I have done that mistake and next time I will never ever done, I have to try that it will never happen. So if we are thinking like this, if we are thinking about our past mistakes, so it is good. Okay, but if we are daily, in every second we are just thinking that I have done this mistake and I can't do anything, that's mean we demotivated for due to our mistakes. You know friends, I am thinking, it's my personal opinions, that if we are doing mistake now, it's mean that you are improving to yourself. So do mistake. Yes, if you are doing mistake, that's mean you are improving to yourself. If you are not doing mistake, that's mean you are a statue. You are not doing anything. You are not improving to yourself. How? Because when we done any mistake, then we know that this thing is not good, this thing is not correct, we should not do, we should be improved in past, we should have to improve. So it is good. Okay, but if we are thinking in present time about to our mistake, what we done, so what, in in wrong way, not bad manners, in a wrong way, in the past I fighted with anyone, and due to fight my work, means where I used to work, so I have to, that the owner of that company, the he owner terminated me. Now I can't do, I can't do in another company and all, like this time means demotivated to ourselves. Okay, so means whatever done, okay, done, but what is the right thing, right? What is the right way that it done? So next time I will not happen it. I tried that it never ever happened. And because you know, we are thinking about past, but we forget to think, not forget, we are thinking about past and future, but we are not thinking about our present. You know, whatever done, so it done. It can't be changed. Whatever done, so it done. And in a future, what are we doing in present time, it will be future. Yes, what are we doing in present time, it will be future. So if you want to improve your future, if you want to be something special in your future, like if you want to be fluent in your if you want to be fluent in English, so practice today, improve your today. Because if you are doing something special in your present, it means definitely one day you will grow and you will be too much confident, means whatever you want to achieve, one day definitely you will achieve. So don't think about past, think about present. So if your present is good, so definitely your future will be good. So I hope you all understand. So I'm not supporting that do mistake. So you know, because it is a social media, so it could be that person just their mistakes. Okay, so the person just their mistake, and every person have different perspective to thinking, to things. What my thinking, what my opinions about these things, maybe and must be another person think that here you Krishna wrong, you are saying wrong. So it was my opinions, and I'm, because I felt I also done this kind of things. Again I was also thinking. So due to thinking, I forget my present, and as I forget my present, so you can know that what can I what will my future. So if you want to be, so be in your present and improve your present. So I hope you all understand. So it is enough for today's video. If you want to know, if you want to know something this kind of things, so please do like. And you know, here I am not a teacher, here I am not any motivator. Here in this platform, I am here only for practicing my English, to improving my English journey. Because when we speak again with anyone, so we do our practice. So I hope you are understanding what I am doing here. So it is enough for today's video. If you like, if you are really agree with my point of view, so please do like. So thank you for watching my this video. Stay connected.